Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn head bobbing on or off in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here select accessibility, then look for head bob option. When enabled, the first person camera will follow the natural vertical bob of the player's head while they are moving. If you suffer from motion sickness, I recommend turning this off. Of course, you can toggle it on or off yourself. Once you are done, here you can close the menu to save the changes, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.